The International Day of Peace is observed around the world each year on 21st September. Established in 1981 by the UN, this day is devoted to commemorating and strengthening the ideas of peace both within and among all nations and people. This year marks the 25th anniversary of the United Nations General Assembly's adoption of the Declaration and Programme of Action on a Culture of Peace, and the 2024 Global Peace Day theme is Cultivating a Culture of Peace. In that declaration, the United Nations' most inclusive body recognized that peace not only is the absence of conflict but also requires a positive, dynamic, participatory process where dialogue is encouraged and conflicts are solved in a spirit of mutual understanding and cooperation. In a world with rising geopolitical tensions and protracted conflicts, there has never been a better time to remember how the UN General Assembly came together in 1999 to lay out the values needed for a culture of peace. These include respect for life, human rights, and fundamental freedoms, the promotion of non-violence through education, dialogue, and cooperation, commitment to peaceful settlement of conflicts, and adherence to freedom, justice, democracy, cultural diversity, dialogue, and understanding at all levels of society and among nations. The Constitution of the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, that is UNESCO, starts with the notion that war begins in the minds of men. So it is in the minds of men that the defenses of the peace must be constructed. It is this notion that framed the theme and logo of this year's observance of the International Day of Peace. The ideas of peace and the culture of peace need to be cultivated in the minds of children and communities through formal and informal educational across countries and across generations. Individuals and organizations around the world participate in activities and host events centered on a set theme for the year. Activities vary from private events to public ceremonies, festivals, and concerts, sending the message of peace to large audiences. The International Day of Peace has always been a time to lay down weapons and observe ceasefires, but it now must also be a time for people to see each other's humanity. Our survival as a global community depends on that. Thank you so much for watching the video. Here's wishing everyone a very happy International Day of Peace 2024.